My last day in Iceland. My flight is going tomorrow early morning. I haven't got anything planned today, so I'm just driving around a bit and see maybe I find some spaces where I can fly my drone. Otherwise, I'll just find my hotel near the Kevlavik airport and then I stay the night there. Okay, that was quite nice to come up here and play with the drone. It's a completely random place. I just wonder one thing. What is that thing down there used for? I mean, there's absolutely nothing around here. So it's a bit strange that there is this. I mean, what the hell? Let's check it. Ah, it's locked. Wow. While looking for a place to fly the drone, I found this place here. There's absolutely no one. And there apparently is something. A cave. Well, let's go check it out. It's the first sightseeing spot where I'm absolutely alone. Probably means that it's completely underwhelming. It's just a hole. Let's see, maybe there's something interesting inside. Well then, let's just fly the drone up that hill.